Is it visible? Can you see that orange box when I select my first paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
What it means, from bottom, it is taking 60 pixel. So in my container, from my margin, if I annotate, that color is getting. So from bottom, it is taking 60 pixel, and the paragraph 1 has been placed in such a way of 60. So I'll select. So this is what my complete margin of my first paragraph. Since it is taking margin bottom as 60 pixel, it is taking totally 60. From that 60, where I want to place my second paragraph. So that you can decide with your margin top. So please look into this orange color block, which is my paragraph 1, which is taking totally 60 pixel of bottom, margin bottom. So it is taking 60, whereas my second paragraph, I am placing margin top of 40. So already the first paragraph is taking bottom of 60. Here I am placing top 40. So the distance between my first paragraph and second paragraph, it is taking 20. The distance between the first paragraph and second paragraph is 20 in the top, and it is taking the second paragraph. That is roughly around 5. And the bottom orange space, it is roughly around 5 to 10. Wait. So let me modify different top margin of my second paragraph. My first paragraph is taking totally 60. So let me give 10. So what will happen if I give 10?
I think it will overlap with the, or it will come above.
No. Just look into this. So it is taking all together, my second paragraph is taking margin of 10. Total margin, it is taking only 10.
Okay.
See this orange space. Wait. So let me modify this as minus 10. What will happen? Already my first paragraph is taking 60. In that, second paragraph is taking minus 10. So it will take a little bit above to the existing paragraph. So if you take, can you see that overlapping thing?
Yes, ma'am.
So the first paragraph is taking 60 pixel from bottom. In that 60, some 10 has been overlapped for my second paragraph. So what will happen if I provide minus 60? My first paragraph is taking bottom of 60 pixel, and the second paragraph is taking top 10. What will happen? I'll just keep. Can you see? It is overlapping on my first paragraph. There were no space. So this is my first paragraph. It is taking overlapping on my second paragraph itself. So what will happen if I give top of 100? You can guess here. So my first paragraph is taking 60. So remaining, it will take 40 of its own. So my first paragraph and second 100, out of that, it is taking 40 from the first paragraph and remaining of its own. Just compare this first. It is taking 60 and 40 of its own. I'm just navigating between my first paragraph and second paragraph. Can you see the difference? Okay, let me print screen. So my first paragraph is taking totally 60. So if I provide 100, so it is taking existing 60. And apart from that, it is taking 40 more. So the difference between one paragraph and another paragraph, you can effectively calculate with this margin bottom and top. Please change the value and inspect your CSS and inspect your total width and probably height when it comes to margin top and bottom. Can you see? It is taking top margin of 100. Whereas here, of that. So it is taking, can you see? Let me annotate. If I look into my first paragraph, it is taking bottom margin of 60. So whereas if I look into my second paragraph, it is taking top margin of 100. So ensure that the gap between the first paragraph and second paragraph has been handled effectively. And remaining, I'm leaving to you right and left. Yes, Sudeep. So whomsoever is having concern and you want to clarify, please share your screen.
No, ma'am, I tried it. The thing I was saying to completely overlap or to share the both the margins of the boxes. So
Modify.
all I had to put was use negative for the margin width for the inner box.
Showing the current in.
Asif sir,
Yes.
sir, I message you on Slack.
Who is this?
Vivek,
Yeah, one second.
Sir, me too, Harshad.
Okay, okay. Guys, in the mentor notes, I have sent you the demo code for the display property. Okay. So can you guys practice this display property with this demo code? Possible?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
okay, all of you? Yeah. So
Yes, sir. Yes,
for
sir.
for the display property, the practice code I have sent you in the mentor notes. Take that code, make it up and running in your system, and do some experiment with that. Change the value of the display and try to see what changes it is showing. It is being showing in the output screen, so that your concept will be more clearer. Okay. This is the same code which I have